Getting a glimpse of a termite cockroach is scurrying across the floor can leave you second-guessing everything from your neighborhood to your housekeeping habits, instead of worrying what people will think or wondering what you did wrong. Focus on learning more about these common household pests, including how to identify a termite cockroach, what attracts them, where they like to hide, and most importantly, how to get rid of them like other cockroaches. Termite cockroaches leave disease-causing microorganisms, excrement, and cast off skin behind as they travel. It's no wonder that some people experience an increase in wheezing, sneezing, itching, and watery eyes when they've got these pests in the house. How to get rid of cockroaches? Thoroughly clean your home. This may seem like a given, but cockroaches are attracted to dirt and filth because they are always on the lookout for new sources of food. The easiest way to keep cockroaches out of your home is by keeping it clean. Make sure to do the following. Wash dishes and put away after meals. Clean crumbs and spills immediately. Take out the garbage before going to bed. Remove grease from stove top. Seal food in containers. Store-bought traps. One effective method of eliminating cockroaches is a type of trap found in supermarkets or home improvement stores. The device uses a scent or other bait to attract cockroaches. When they investigate the bait, cockroaches become caught in a sticky substance effectively trapped inside. It can take up to 2 weeks to see results, so traps should be checked periodically. Store-bought beds. Another common way to get rid of roaches includes utilizing store-bought beds. Chemical beds disguise insecticides as a food source. Cockroaches ingest the insecticide and return to their nests, where they die. Other roaches eat them, spreading the poison to the rest of the nest. Place chemical beds near garbage cans and underneath sinks and cabinets in kitchens and bathrooms. Liquid concentrates. Another product available in stores is a liquid concentrate designed to deter cockroaches. Once diluted, the liquid can be sprayed into cracks and crevices and other areas where cockroaches like to hide. You can also mop the floor and wipe counters with the solution. If you are wondering how to get rid of cockroaches overnight, this will be one of your best bets.